What are you making?
I'm making sugar cookies. Christmas sugar cookies. Now we're gonna turn this back on and add the sour cream. That's the secret ingredient to our special Christmas cookies. Sour cream. Why are you looking at chicken? We're not putting that in. That's not going in the cookies. That's for dinner.
Oh.
That's for dinner.
You know, it's right next to the baking stuff.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna turn this back on.
I think chicken sugar cookies would be good.
I think that would be gross.
Oh, come on, live a little.
So we're gonna add this sour cream in because it makes the cookies extra special. Extra good. Extra, extra good. Uh-oh. It's gonna make the dough really super thick now. But it's mixing it in. Gotta get all this in there. Scrape the bowl here to get all the rest.
So what are you pouring in?
Sour cream. Sour cream and baking soda to normal sugar cookie dough. And this will make our special yummy sugar cookies that we decorate. So we have to make them, and then we're going to stick all of this in the refrigerator for 2 hours.
Nice.
And then we can... it's going crazy. Okay, so enough of that.
You got it?
Nope. Okay.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah. Okay, take the rings off. Rings are coming off.
She's getting serious, folks. The rings are coming off.
Yep. Rings are coming off. All right. Let's roll up the sleeves.
Oh, she's rolling up the sleeves too.
Let's see if we can make some sense of this. We're using Kenzie's mixer. She's not here, so she doesn't really know. Shh.
Well, she knows now.
We're not going to tell her that Mom was using her mixer, and it's a mess now. I will clean it, and she will never know the difference.
Unless she watches the video.
Unless she watches the video, which...
Hi, Kenzie.
Hi, Kenzie. Let's hope I can figure this. Okay, I don't even know how to do this. All right, so now I need to mush all this stuff together.
Hi, Dad.
I know.
Dad's having lunch while
That's
we're
having lunch. Oh, freaking lunch.
making some cookies.
I think mine's almost done too.
Your lunch is almost done.
Let's go look at it.
Some of the stuff out. You don't need to add all that into the
Where's my burger?
Christmas cookie. It's in there.
My burger's in there?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Oh.
Okay.
What? Oh.
Get the bowl out, but I don't know how to do that. I made a mess of her blender.
Take off the...
I don't know how to...
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm gonna mix this up.
Okay, you're missing some stuff here.
Mom, how do you like Dad's way of baking?
Oh, that's great. Just mixing it, and then we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator
For 2 hours.
for 2 hours. I'll need a bowl for it. Probably. You can put it in here.
Looks like a
Or
mountain.
just put it in one of those metal trays. Or whatever, yeah.
This is already dirty.
Looks like a mountain of sugar.
Flour and sugar
Yep.
and sour cream.
Nice.
And then I'll have to massively clean. It's supposed to be a little crumbly right now until
Dad's got it.
it gels. All right.
So we'll be
covering on it, and we'll put it in the
freezer for 2 hours.
freezer, or not the freezer, the
Not the freezer.
refrigerator.
Refrigerator for 2 hours.
Refrigerate for 2 hours,
Cool.
and then we will bring it out to roll it.
See you in 2 hours. What are we doing, Mom?
We're making cookies with
Mom.
the dough that is really hard. There we go. Now I need a roller.
My contribution.
Okay. Good night. Thanks for coming up to the Indian. Night night. Okie dokie. Bye. Bye-bye. Where are the cutters?
Oh, that's a good question.
One eternity later.
Okay, preparing the cookies. Great. First cookie getting doused. It's gonna be a blue star. I like blue.
Blue's pretty good.
Blue's a good color for stars.
Yes, yes it is.
We're gonna smear this on here.
We have a lot to do.
We do have a lot to do. It's gonna take a long time. Be ready for this night to never end.
Sweet.
We're gonna put a little sugar on top of these right here.
If any of my teachers are watching this, this is why I'm tired on Friday.
Okay, there's
YOLO.
that one. One down. Woo! There's my
YOLO.
cookie.
It's nice.
Yep. Thought so.
You look nice
Thanks.
for once. Hey, keep it off the camera.
Put on my
Flip
face.
him off.
What? No, she was about to frost me.
Frost.
Frost.
Frost yourselves. Name that movie.
How to lose a guy in 10 days.
There you go. Frost yourselves. Frost yourselves. Have you seen that movie? obviously.
Reese, he hasn't seen a lot of movies.
There's many movies he hasn't seen.
I can quote a movie you don't know.